Find the Oloriyebi. Ever bought land from a family and ended up with a family-sized headache? Let's talk about something that's scarier than running out of jollof at a party. Buying land from OMO NILE. Let's picture this. You are about to become a proud landowner, but suddenly, bam, the entire village shows up claiming they are all owners.
God, I beg.
Talk about family reunion gone wrong. So, what a smart buyer like you to do? Time to channel your inner detective. Number 1, get those designer shoes dirty. No sitting pretty at home. Eat in the streets and do some digging. Number 2, become besties with the locals. They know all the hot gist. Trust me, they know everything that is happening. Number 3, listen like your life depends on it, because your life does. Even that quiet auntie in that corner might drop a bombshell that you have never heard before. Number 4, ask for the land's origin story. If they start sweating more than a Lagos traffic jam in December, run. That is the time to run.
Run from such people.
Number 5, which is very, very important, find the Oloriyebi. Faster than you would find your favorite amala spot.
I'm not here speaking out. Say it again.
Faster than you would find your favorite amala spot. This big boss is your golden ticket. Number 6, document everything like you are shooting a Nollywood blockbuster. Lights, camera, land transaction. Remember, taking possession is key. Press it, farm it, just don't forget it. Look, buying land in Lagos can be crazier than trying to cross Oshodi at rush hour. But with these tips, you'll be smoother than palm oil on pounded jam. Don't let land wahala turn you into a meme. My name is Adrian, and you are watching landproperty.ng. Need more land buying wisdom? Kindly like, follow, and subscribe to this page. See you later. Cheers.